Welcome to a glimpse into the future of automation. Today, we delve into the world of AI agents, the next evolution in artificial intelligence, set to redefine how we interact with technology by 2025. For too long, our digital lives have been defined by applications. We open an app for every task, every piece of information, every interaction. But what if your technology could anticipate your needs, understand your intent, and act autonomously to achieve your goals? This is the promise of AI agents. AI agents are intelligent software entities designed to understand, reason, and act on your behalf, often without direct human input. Unlike traditional applications, they are goal-oriented, capable of planning complex sequences of actions and learning from their interactions. The key difference lies in autonomy. Apps are tools you wield for specific tasks. AI agents are more like proactive partners, capable of orchestrating multiple tools and actions to achieve a high-level objective, learning and adapting as they go. At their core, AI agents leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence to perform their tasks. Let's explore the fundamental technology that powers these intelligent entities. The backbone of most advanced AI agents are large language models, or LLMs. These powerful models, trained on vast amounts of text data, allow agents to understand natural language, generate human-like text, and perform complex reasoning. Familiar names like OpenAI's GPT and Google's Gemini are prime examples of the LLMs enabling this revolution. Their ability to comprehend context, synthesize information, and even generate creative content forms the cognitive engine of AI agents. AI agents operate on a continuous loop. They understand your goal, reason through potential steps, execute actions, observe the outcomes, and then refine their approach. This iterative process allows them to tackle complex, multi-step problems autonomously. By 2025, AI agents will transcend theoretical discussions and become integral to our daily lives and professional workflows. Here are just a few examples of how they will manifest in the real world. Imagine a digital assistant that doesn't just respond to commands, but proactively manages your calendar, triages your emails, and even books your travel, learning your preferences and anticipating your needs before you even articulate them. Customer service will be transformed. AI agents will handle inquiries, resolve complex issues, and provide personalized support 24/7, freeing human agents for more nuanced interactions and strategic problem-solving. Businesses will leverage AI agents for proactive data analysis, identifying trends, generating reports, and even flagging potential issues or opportunities before they become critical, all without manual intervention. Within organizations, AI agents will streamline workflow management, coordinating tasks across teams, automating repetitive processes, and ensuring projects stay on track, boosting efficiency across the board. The transition from reactive applications to proactive AI agents isn't a distant dream. It's already in motion. The foundational technologies are mature, and we are on the cusp of widespread adoption. The widespread adoption of AI agents will lead to unprecedented levels of personalization, efficiency, and productivity, allowing us to offload mundane tasks and focus on creative, strategic endeavors. Prepare for a future where technology isn't just a tool, but an intelligent, autonomous partner, working tirelessly in the background to simplify your life and maximize your potential. Subscribe to Goms Tech Talks channel for more.